Hey everybody, in this video we're going to take one of my jack-o'-lanterns here that I made. We're going to sand off the stuff here and see if we can do a good job on it versus my belt sander. Have a little more control over it. And I'm going to use my DeWalt Palm orbital sander. But now I got these 3M Xtract CubItron II, which are all the rage. It's changing how we think about sanding. So I've got a variety pack here of 80, 120, 180, all the way up to 320. And I'm just going to go right up to the 180 here. I'm just going to work the 180 so we can get rid of some of this stuff and clean it up a little bit. I've never used these before, so you're seeing this live, true to life, not practiced, not rehearsed. This is how it is. So you can see I got the Diablo ones that are more like a clothy feel, and look how destroyed that is. I needed to change this anyways, but look at all that sand coming off. Ugh, nasty. And that one was a 180 as well. Just kind of my favorite go-to. So if you look closely, you can see it's see-through and all that. And we'll put this guy on there. Someday I do want to get the 3M sander. It's 500 bucks, but it looks fantastic, really nice in your hand, soft, because this thing vibrates like a son of a buck. So here we go. So I want to show you. You can see some of this here. I'm gonna get these flecks, touch this up a little bit, but even these sides have some glue splatter, and this was off of the sawmill. So when I bought these from Menards, these marks came there. Let's see if we can work on that a little bit too. I don't want to make this video too long because you're just going to watch me do some sanding. But we'll go ahead and take a look at this. So here we go. Okay, so that was on the 1 setting, and it's feeling pretty smooth. Let's just compare. Yeah, a little bit different. Still got the glue marks on there from before. So let's just up this up, get a few more RPMs going there, and be careful with this. Okay, so I did a little bit of a chamfer there. It's hard to say. Hard to say if it's just a new thing, but just after a little bit of use, you can see here. It's got some pressure down here on these points here. It's got some wrinkles in there now, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not a sanding expert, but my Diablos worked fine before, as long as you keep putting a new one in. And that's what some of the experts out there say is, don't underestimate how often you need to change your sanding discs. I think that's one of the major problems here, is you don't change them that often. So Let's take a look at this side here. It's got some stuff, some crummies, things like that. Okay. So I noticed some cleanup there. The crumbs are gone. I probably should hit this with a lower grit sandpaper, to be honest. There's the finished side. Here's the softer side that hasn't been really given any attention. And here's another side here with the dark. Let's see what this does. So I think that cleaned it up pretty well, and oh, that's smooth, real smooth. Let's see here. Yep, smooth, smooth, no concern of splinters. So this side we have to touch up, because in fact I just scraped this across the side and I got a little splinter there, just minor. So we'll go ahead and clean that up. So smooth. Didn't touch this bottom one, but this is up here smooth. Chamfered that. Yeah, no problems there. So I don't know if you can see that on there. The difference. Sanded, not sanded. This will be the last one. Okay. Smooth. Okay, so I like it, but let's look. After doing one of these pumpkins, top to bottom, up and down, left and right, what do we got? This is what it looks like. Definitely can be used again. But probably just 2 or 3 of these before I have to switch it. And obviously if you have the money, switch it after the first one. So, hopefully that was helpful.